Can Audizen Tinnitus Drops really silence the ringing in your ears, or is it just another cleverly marketed health gimmick? Let's break down what we found so you can decide if it's worth your trust or your money. But before we begin, quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Audizen Tinnitus Drops are sold on platforms like Walmart, promising advanced ear health and relief from tinnitus using all natural ingredients. But here's where things get concerning. The first thing about it is there's no official website, just vague listings with generic product descriptions found on Amazon, Walmart, and others. And there's also no verified reviews on Trustpilot and Reddit, which is a huge red flag for any health product. Also, according to malware tips, the drops follow a familiar scam pattern: flashy social media ads, fake testimonials, and claims that sound too good to be true. Lastly, there are no published clinical studies proving this product works, and unlike regulated medication, supplements like this often slip under the radar. Audizen tinnitus drops appear to be more marketing than medicine. With no solid proof, no official brand presence, and warning signs from consumer watchdogs, it's safe to say proceed with caution, or better yet, avoid it altogether. If you've tried Audizen or you have a better solution, drop your experience in the comments. Like and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. And remember, health hype is everywhere, but facts matter most. Stay safe.